Alright, just a little quick snail job. These, I'm going to use this like a little shaker bottle. They're little just bits and pieces that I buy for miniature gardens and things like that. But these were too big to use in my miniature gardens in ratio to fairies and things like that. They looked a bit odd. So, I'm going to make a shaker snail. But I thought, this is cork. I don't think cork and resin are going to get along. I'm just going to try something. So, just got, where's my little bat? This poor mat, look at it. It's a disgrace. So, I'm just going to put a bit of UV resin on it. Just to seal it. Because I don't know if it'll seal properly or not. I'm just spreading this. You can just buy these on eBay, Temu, AliExpress, Shein. I have no doubt Amazon have got them as well. I just find some of the Amazon stuff from where I am is a bit more expensive than some of the other sites for the same product. Just want to make sure that's going to seal all the way around. Just doing this. Okay, looking good. I'm just going to hit it with this for a minute. I want to clean up my mess. Yeah. And what I will do is, I'll just want to be able to move it around. I'll just get it set enough to be able to move it. I need better eyesight. It looks like it's sealed, but we'll see. I just don't want resin in there. So I want this to be able to shake, like a shaker. Okay. So if you're looking for little bits and pieces, just type in fairy garden, figurines or ornaments, or just fairy gardens, and 5,000 things come up. So I'm just going to stick him over here. Just while I do the next bit. I'll get rid of that. Now I do find with these snails that these little tentacles, I'm not sure what you call them. So somebody, can you please write that in the comments so I know what they are. They tend to break off in here or not even form. I've done all sorts of squeezies and widgy-jidgies and whatever. And no, the only thing I have found that works is I put them in my vacuum chamber. Then it works. So that is, you know, fairly annoying. So I don't know if this is going to sink. Just see what's happening. So we just want some clear in here. So obviously this is not, there's not enough in there to get up into here as yet. I'm not sure how much to put in here. Alright, we'll just see how that goes. Let's get this little fella. And Still a bit tacky. But it shouldn't matter. I'll just leave it for a second more. So I'll just put you on pause for a minute. Alrighty. Still a bit tacky, but he'll be right. I don't know how much floating around this thing's going to do. Looks like the back end is lighter than the cork bit. Probably because I just put resin on it. I'm thinking that's what's going on there. So I'm not doing any more to this. Just leaving it till tomorrow. And try to resist coming back in and playing with things. I'm a bit naughty at times. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, time for the unveiling of the precious little snail. Get him out of the mould. See how he turned out. Oh, come on. Just breaking the seal a bit. I have ripped a few of these little snails. Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Oh! I've broken a little tentacle bit, but I'll just give those a bit of a sand. And the wallies move. So it's cute. The wallies have actually moved and they're not centered anymore for some reason. Oh, I thought I centered that, but anyway, maybe I'm blind. But it's still cute. So out of the bits of leftovers that I've had, Snail number 1. Let's see how this one turned out. Hopefully come on, don't break off. So I've just made a blue one here out of some leftover resin that I had. Yeah, he's okay. He's sparkly. They sell better if you've got 2 colours, I find. And this baby. I think this was supposed to have 2 colours. Maybe they've blended together. Because there's a touch of green just there. So this is where you should have like little bits and pieces sitting off to the side. Like, I get $9 each. I don't think I'll get 9 for him, probably get 8. When I sand this one, I'll get $9 for that, so easy. I'm in Australia, so I'm talking Aussie dollars here. I get $2 for the babies. So I've got a collection of these. They don't sit on the shelf very long. They sell fairly quickly. So that's that for now. And you better stay tuned for some frogs and some turtles coming up shortly. Please give me the thumbs up and subscribe. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.